Tropical storm Arlene, we're going to discuss today in the 2017 season, uh, became formed from a continent extratropical cyclone well east of Burma on April 16th. The cyclone moved southeast, becoming disconnected from the surrounding environment and eventually losing its friendly characteristics. Deep convection formed in bands north and east of the center by UTC on April 19th, leading to the formation of a subtropical depression. Despite an unfavorable environment with temperature 20 Celsius, 68 degrees Fahrenheit, moderate wind shear, convection present in the center allowed the subtropical area to become fully topped by drizzles in UTC on April 20th. Intensified into tropical storm Alex 6 hours later after its peak at winds of 50 miles per hour. The storm began to rotate on a larger anti-tropical low pressure. The post-tropical cyclone moves south and east before disappearing out southwest of the Azores on April 20th. Upon its formation at a subtropical depression on April 20th, Arlene was one of the 6 known tropical or subtropical tropical formed in the month of April in the Atlantic Basin. The other instances were Anna 2003, a subtropical storm in April 2092, and 3 tropical depressions in 1912, 1915, and 1973, respectively. When Arlene became a tropical storm on April 20th, this marked only the second such occurrence on record after Anna in 2003. It had the lowest central pressure of any Atlantic storm recorded in the month of April, with a central pressure of 99 millibars, again suppressing Anna. Now we're going to look at my archives. Here's the first advisory of this tropical cycle. Which was 11 a.m. Atlantic Standard Time was the April 19, 2017. It was forecasted to max only a depression throughout its life. And here's this first satellite picture. Very vigorous area of low pressure. We can look at 18th or the potently extratropical low pressure. We're going to look at its lifespan, how convection formed more and more in the center. Here's the second advisory. This time it was still a subtropical depression and still not forecasted strength. I really don't get it. So it's just wrong. And a few hours later, here's a satellite picture of convection blowing over within the center of circulation. More convection. By the third, I disagree with the subtropical. It looks pretty tropical to me. And these people at the NHC were still saying it's going to dissipate. I don't think so. The fourth, the same thing. It's crazy. This was forecaster Stewart. Normally is a good forecaster. And this was for 5 a.m. on the 20th. 11 a.m. on the 20th, this remains the same. Even so, you had a system that looked like this. I mean, this system probably was 50, 55 knots at this time. You had great curve bending, you had the formation of the eye, and here's the tropical pressure forcing the system around it. At 5 p.m., the system became, well, at least originally, became tropical. They went with 45 miles per hour originally. At 11 p.m., April 20th, 50 miles per hour. 5 a.m. the 21st. Starting to turn southeast. Then originally, 11 a.m. on April 21st, 2017, they made it post-tropical. I kind of disagree. I mean, you still have convection. Now, well, without circulation. It seems like so far it remained a 50 mile per hour system. I disagree. I think it was 60 with the curve bending and the eye feature. It formed because of cold upper level environment. It's colder surface environment. Remember, convection is formed from a warmer surface while the air slowly expands as the air cools at the upper levels. But when you have a colder upper levels, you need less and less. You need not quite as warm at the surface to do the same thing. And that's kind of how it works.